Welcome to the future of food production, where a massive automated megafactory processes thousands of fresh pineapples every hour with surgical precision and efficiency. The journey begins as mountains of sun-ripened pineapples arrive at the loading bay, ready to enter a sophisticated system of cleaning and advanced robotic sorting. Every piece of fruit is tracked by an intelligent logistics network, ensuring a steady flow into a multi-stage cleaning system that eliminates all surface impurities. Heavy-duty industrial brushes rotate at high speeds, scrubbing every crevice of the pineapple skin to remove soil and debris while maintaining the fruit's structural integrity. Simultaneously, high-pressure nozzles create a dense mist of purified water, washing away loosened particles and ensuring the exterior is pristine for the next production stage. This initial wash is just the beginning of a rigorous sanitation protocol designed to meet the highest international safety standards for food processing and quality. Entering the ultrasonic bath, the pineapples are subjected to high-frequency sound waves that create millions of microscopic bubbles to reach deep into the fruit skin. This cavitation process effectively dislodges even the most stubborn microscopic contaminants, providing a level of cleanliness that traditional washing methods simply cannot achieve in bulk. Observe the power of this system, as every square millimeter is swirled by the energetic collapse of these tiny, powerful air bubbles. As they emerge from the ultrasonic tank, the pineapples are instantly dried by air nodes, preparing their surfaces for the critical AI-driven sorting and inspection phase. A sophisticated AI-powered laser system now scans the surface of every fruit, measuring dimensions, ripeness, and detecting any physical defects with incredible mathematical precision. The system processes thousands of data points per second, categorizing the fruit based on sugar content and size to optimize the subsequent cutting and canning steps. Any fruit that fails to meet strict quality parameters is swiftly redirected to high-speed robotic actuators, ensuring only the finest specimens move forward together. This seamless integration of artificial intelligence and mechanical speed ensures a 100% consistency, the hallmark of modern industrial food and smart manufacturing. With the first stage complete, our perfectly cleaned and sorted pineapples are now ready to be transformed into the uniform slices consumers love around the world. Welcome to the heart of the facility, where the high-speed Ginaca machines perform the incredible feat of peeling and coring at a pace faster than lightning. In just a fraction of a second, the pineapple is centered and thrust into a high-grade stainless steel cylinder, instantly separating the fruit from its skin. The outer shell is stripped away with such force and accuracy that the juicy interior remains completely intact, perfectly shaped for the canning process ahead. Simultaneously, a sharp, hollow tube pierces the longitudinal center of the fruit, removing the tough, fibrous core and leaving behind the perfect golden cylinder of meat. The core is cleanly ejected, while the succulent pineapple body moves forward, now ready for the final trimming steps that ensure a premium final product quality. Robotic trimming heads now engage, precision cutting both ends of the pineapple cylinder to create uniform cuts and remove any remaining bits of cylinder or product. The flawless, bright yellow cylinder of fruit, glistening with natural juice and moving steadily towards the slices of pie to further shape the final. Watching these machines in unison is a testament to mechanical engineering, where thousands of pounds of fruit are processed every hour without a single error. Sustainability is key, as the discarded skins are immediately collected and sent to a specialized facility to be converted into nutritious livestock food. Nothing goes to waste in this factory, as every byproduct is being carefully illustrating the efficiency of a circular economy within the modern food manufacturing industry. Before slicing, a final vision system inspects each cylinder, ensuring no shell fragments or brown spots remain on the perfectly prepared surface of the fruit. If a tiny defect is found, a high-speed robotic blade removes it instantly, maintaining the high standards that the brand's global customers expect every time. The fruit now enters the the clean zone, where slicing begins, turning these massive cylinders into the familiar shapes found in every pantry across the globe. Stage 2 is complete. The transition from whole fruit to refined cylinders is a masterpiece of speed, efficiency, and zero-waste industrial design and execution. The slicing process begins with a series of razor-sharp blades that divide the cylinder into perfectly uniform rings in one single, fluid motion of power. Each ring is exactly the same thickness, falling into place in a satisfyingly rhythmic pattern that showcases the consistency of this high-precision cutting technology. These golden rings are the premium cut, destined for the highest quality cans where visual presentation is as important as the delicious, natural flavour inside. For products requiring chunks or tidbits, the rings pass through a secondary set of radial blades, expertly dividing them into smaller, bite-sized pieces with ease. The blades move so fast they create a fine spray of juice, highlighting the freshness of the fruit as it is shaped into finer portions. The pieces then flow onto a vibrating table, which helps distribute them evenly and allows for a final visual check by the advanced sensor array system. As an extra layer of safety, the fruit passes through an X-ray scanner, capable of detecting the smallest specific contaminants that are invisible to the eye. If any contaminant is detected, a precision vacuum system instantly removes the piece from the line, ensuring that only pure fruit enters the final canning stage. The perfect chunks slide down these sterile chutes, glistening like gems as they head towards the automated filling station where they will meet their containers. With the fruit now perfectly shaped and triple checked for safety, stage 3 concludes, and we move to the high-speed canning and sterilisation process. In another part of the factory, thousands of empty tin cans are prepared, moving through a complex network of spiral conveyors at incredible speeds. The scale is breathtaking as these containers are fed into the system in a continuous, never-ending stream to keep up with the rapid fruit processing line. Each can is subjected to a blast of superheated steam at 120 degrees Celsius, killing any bacteria and ensuring a perfectly sterile environment for fruit. The steam reaches every corner of the container, providing a level of hygiene that is essential for the long shelf life of the final canned product. After sterilisation, the cans are inverted to drain any moisture, then flipped back up, ready to be filled with the fresh pineapple pieces we saw earlier. The automated filler uses volumetric sensors to dispense the exact weight of pineapple into each can, maintaining perfect consistency across millions of units. The speed of the rotary filler is mesmerising, matching the pace of the fruit production line to ensure that no time is wasted in the process. Dynamic weighing systems check every single can in real time, instantly adjusting the machinery if any deviation from the target weight is detected. The cans are now filled with fruit and moving at high velocity toward the next critical step, the addition of the preserving syrup or juice. Stage 4 highlights the incredible synergy between container preparation and fruit filling, a dance of precision that ensures quality and safety in every single can. A specially formulated syrup is now injected into each can, filling the voids between the pineapple chunks and providing the perfect balance of sweetness and preservation. Advanced nozzle design prevents any splashing or air bubbles, ensuring that the liquid level is exactly right for the vacuum sealing process that follows immediately. The cans enter the vacuum sealer, where air is sucked out just before the lid is placed, preventing oxidation and preserving the fruit's natural colour. The machine seals the lid onto the can with immense pressure, creating a hermetic seal that will keep the contents fresh for years without any refrigeration. This transparent view shows the invisible power of the vacuum seal, a critical technology that locks in the nutrients and flavour of the fresh pineapple. After sealing, the cans receive a final wash to remove any stray syrup, ensuring the exterior is clean and ready for labelling and final heat treatment. The line of cans is now a shining river of steel, moving toward the final and most important safety step in the entire manufacturing process. Stage 5 is complete. The fruit safely locked inside the container, protected from the environment and prepared for the final thermal processing phase. The final stage involves the massive autoclave, where the cans are heated under pressure to ensure complete commercial sterility and safety for consumers worldwide. The scale of these sterilizers is immense, capable of processing tens of thousands of pounds at once in a carefully controlled temperature and pressure environment. After the heat treatment, cans are rapidly cooled in a water bath, which helps maintain the fruit's texture and prevents overcooking inside the can. Now, the cans pass through the high-speed labeling line, where colourful brand labels are applied with such speed that the human eye can barely follow. Sensors ensure each label is perfectly straight, creating a professional finish that will stand out on the shelves of supermarkets in any country. Advanced palletizing robots then take over, grouping the cans and placing them into sturdy cardboard boxes for transport to global distribution centres. The boxes are sealed and coded with batch numbers, providing full traceability from the farm to the final customer for every single unit produced. Final pallets are wrapped in protective film, ready to be loaded onto trucks and ships to begin their journey to kitchens and restaurants around the globe. This massive inventory is a testament to the factory's incredible output, bridging the gap between tropical harvests and year-round availability of delicious, healthy fruit. As the sun sets, the first shipments depart, carrying the result of hours of precision engineering and natural goodness to people all over the world. The final product is a perfect blend of nature's bounty and human ingenuity. A simple can of pineapple that represents the peak of industrial achievement. Our journey through the super factory is complete. From raw fruit to a global product, the process is a masterclass.
Reroute auxiliary power to the main assembly line. The projections are showing a bottleneck. Confirmed.
Every detail,
Adjusting the robotic arm sequence now.
Never skips a beat, day or night. This is the true power of Industry 4.0, where data and machinery work together to feed the world more efficiently and safely than ever before in history. It all starts with the earth, and through this incredible technological journey, the freshness of the field is preserved for everyone to enjoy. Anyone, anytime. Relentless speed, absolute precision, refining new earth is never compromised for the sake of high volume. Every movement is calculated, every second is optimized, making this facility one of the most advanced examples of automated food processing on the planet today. It maintains a fully automated cleaning system to sanitize the entire production line, ensuring every batch starts with a perfectly sterile environment for the food. The choice of high-grade materials and the constant maintenance of the machinery are the foundation of the factory's ability to produce safe and healthy food consistently. While automation does the heavy lifting, human expertise remains at the core of quality assurance, with regular lab tests confirming the excellence of every production run. Scientific precision ensures the taste profile remains identical in every can, balancing natural acidity and sweetness to deliver the perfect pineapple experience to the consumer. Beyond efficiency, the factory is a leader in sustainability, using renewable energy and water recycling systems to minimize its environmental footprint on our precious planet. Every drop of water is treated and reused, showcasing how industrial-scale production can coexist with responsible resource management and environmental stewardship for future generations. The factory never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day to meet the global demand for high-quality, nutritious canned fruit that people can rely on every day. The complex nervous system of the facility is a marvel of electrical engineering, powering thousands of motors and sensors to keep the production line moving perfectly. Control is at the fingertips of the operators, who can fine-tune every aspect of the process through a centralized digital twin of the entire factory floor. The final results speak for themselves. Vibrant, succulent, and perfectly preserved fruit that looks as good as the day it was harvested from the tropical sun. When you open a can, you are experiencing the end result of a remarkable journey of technology, dedication, and the highest standards of food engineering excellence. From home kitchens to gourmet restaurants, these pineapples are a versatile and beloved ingredient, providing a burst of tropical flavour to countless dishes around the world. The simple joy of fresh fruit is made accessible to everyone, thanks to the incredible achievements of this modern, automated mega factory and its dedicated workforce. This is the pulse of modern industry, a symphony of steel and software that works tirelessly to deliver the best of nature to your table every day. Thousands of tons of fruit, millions of cans, and one singular goal to set the standard for quality and efficiency in the global food industry of today. The legacy of the Ginaca machine continues to evolve, proving that great engineering only gets better with time and the integration of modern digital control systems. At the heart of it all is a commitment to excellence, a promise that every can produced here meets the highest expectations of the world's most discerning consumers. Even in the quiet moments, the factory stands as a monument
The
to
citrus
human
notes are
progress,
bright,
a beacon
but there's a
of what is
slight
possible
metallic
when we combine
aftertaste
nature
from the
with
aluminum.
advanced technology.
We can adjust
Innovation
the
never
polymer
stops,
lining to
as the
mitigate that
R&D team
interaction.
constantly looks for ways to improve the process, the packaging, and the flavor of the products we all know. The future of work is here, where humans and robots work side by side to achieve goals that once thought impossible in the realm of food manufacturing. As night falls, the factory remains a hive of activity, a shining example of industrial power and the relentless pursuit of perfection in everything we do here. And as one batch leaves, another begins, a continuous cycle of harvest and production that feeds millions and supports thousands of farmers and workers across the globe. This is the story of the modern pineapple, a journey through a world of automation, precision, and passion, all contained within the walls of this amazing mega factory. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the heart of the automated pineapple factory. The process is complete and the quality is guaranteed.